Stomach to digest food. Brain to think. Intestine to absorb food. Heart to pump blood. Fat smooth muscle. Involuntary internal organ. Cardiac muscle. Involuntary heart. Skeletal muscle. Voluntary skeleton.